Bursitis is nothing but inflammation of a particular part in the body called bursa, and it can happen to anybody. More common in women who are employed in household work, who keep squatting for a longer duration. With our scope for treatment, this condition is very much treatable, and this resolves in a matter of 5 to 10 days through minimal medicines, both external and internal. We are going to see an important condition which is very common, which falls under sports medicine. It is called bursitis. What is this bursitis? Bursitis is nothing but inflammation of a particular part in the body called bursa. Bursa is nothing but a fluid-filled sac which acts like a cushion for the tendon which is passing between two bones above a particular joint. In this case, we are going to discuss a very common condition called suprapatellar bursitis. Suprapatellar bursa is nothing but a bursa situated above the knee joint. The knee joint is very common site for arthritis, where there is mechanical wear and tear of the joint itself. That is different from bursitis. In bursitis, the pain is above the joint, and this is not related to age. It purely depends on mechanical workload, and it can happen to anybody. More common in women who are employed in household work, who keep squatting for a longer duration, and other people who are very actively involved in sports activity, and which involves a lot of jumping and frictional work, sudden friction, and also prolonged squatting position and repeated strain for the knee joint in bent position. The suprapatellar bursitis produces symptoms which are chiefly pain and tenderness. Sometimes there is edema, a soft swelling, and there is warmth, and the area is red in color. Here, the method of treatment is not just oil application. In fact, oil application is secondary, or it is not usually done. Here we use a different herbal powder which is applied in the form of paste, so that the fluid-filled sac, the inflammation is brought down and the pain is also brought under control. Internal medicine may be required for a few days. Typically, this condition resolves in a matter of, say, about 5 days to 10 days. Another condition which is common is retrocalcaneal bursitis, which is found in the feet, the heel pain. The heel pain can be due to commonly occurring condition called calcaneal spur, which is a spur growth in the heel bone. But here in retrocalcaneal bursitis, the bursa which is involved in that area is getting inflamed, and you find pain on the sides of the heel. And this is also found very commonly in people in sports activity, as well as people who wear footwear which doesn't suit them or which has high heels. And awkward posture while walking and prolonged standing can be really painful for them, and these can also produce this retrocalcaneal bursitis. On the whole, if we see Ayurveda scope for treatment, this condition is very much treatable, and this resolves in a matter of 5 to 10 days through minimal medicines, both external and internal. For further doubts, contact us at Sri Radhashramana Ayush Vaidyashala. Don't fail to comment in the comment section below this YouTube video. Thank you.